Hi, bitter.
Would you?
I will do anything just for you. Make you feel happy and I never make you. I will do anything just for you. Sacrifice my love and giving me the dollar. This is boy. This is boy. Beating on me up, boom boom. Guarantee me not to see the easy girl and just hold on tight. Tell me girl with all your might. Sometime but all this and said sometime about the hat. Some of them know I've been never let it in your heart. Sometime but all this and me say some go on with the hat. Some of them don't have no love in get fun. Two twang and a stand
Well, I might be cool, I might be simple, but I'm not with your timber gun. Drod me for fugitive, you fool. You never know, see me run the school, so me got the girls, them tool, fool. Must realize and understand, say me sing this dance, and yeah, the girls, them on done. You want this me from 19 no long when man, the girl, they from foundation. Well, woman, you ready? Some man, mama, you know I no girl, go back in the drama. Listen to me style and catch the pattern. Being with the next brand new song. Well,
this is boy.
let's put you on the argument.
So would I give them heart, them mind, them soul, and everything.
Playing for the grown and sexy and mature. Experience on the world. Professional business. Now what you call singers in action. Baby, pretty positive. Something country, pick up yourself. When we first come in at the club look a while ago, bigger is security. Everybody know bigger security for years. Bigger, you earn. You really earned me. Bigger, the first time I come inside here and I play song, me have a half an ounce of weed for my people, and bigger tell me, say, Jabba, you can't bring so much weed in an annex. Me say, bigger, I'll be a West Indian inside a bigger, nobody now vex with me. All who know say bigger fight against the weed, but a shot you know. Yeah, we do. Because a long time I come and quiz and I show boy if you play sound and bust dance. You say, play it again. Whoa! Yo! Me don't play a rock new song. No. Somebody your plata. Only if you make money, move to the song, yeah. If you don't make no money, nobody move to the song, yeah. Massive beach on and play. Pull up. I'm at the corner. I'm going through. Pull up, we're not a hobby with it. That song, yeah, not dedicated to nobody who have a decent 9 to 5, and there's nothing wrong with having a decent 9 to 5. That song, yeah, request to my niggas will make credit card scams. The dog them will sell weed. The dog them will do them off to do to make money for feed them family. And some things said on that song, yeah. Only if you get money, nigga. Only if you're a hustler. If you have a decent job, nobody run to the wall and I want to know for you. You are like crazy. Same old shit. Different day. Hey. On the old boys, so on. The old boys not serious. Run on them. Hustle.
Hype it up.
Here are the top 3 reasons why you should log on to www.hypelife.tv. 1. Home of Hype It Up, the hottest urban reggae dancehall entertainment, fashion, and nightlife show. View, home of dancehall music review for the maddest tunes, rhythm, gossip, news, reviews. Reason 3. Want the hottest news and updates for the day? Log on to www.hypelife.tv.
What you ain't on? Log on.